Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Look at My Life. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and we have several sections to work through. We'll start with the first verse. Now the first verse has 3 chords to play. The first chord is an F major chord, and that is a 3 on the D, 2 on the G, 1, 1 on the B and E. I will talk about strumming and structure in a moment, but let's go through the other 2 chords first, which are B flat major. We have a 1 on the A, 3, 3, 3 on the D, G and B. And the other chord we need for the first verse is a C major, which is 3 on the A, 2 on the D, open G, 1 on the B, and an open E. Okay, so for this first verse, as there's no real guitar part, what we can do is come up with our own strumming pattern. What I think works really well for the first verse is this. So, to break down what I'm playing, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down for each chord. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. And you'll play that exact strumming pattern for each chord, which would be F, then the B flat, C major, and then back to B flat. Now you can play whatever you like over that part, it's your choice. However, I think that works really well, as long as you play F to B flat, C to B flat, and then repeat it round, which gets you to the end of the first verse. We then get to the pre-chorus, where things change yet again, and it includes a new chord. So it's worth mentioning, I've wrote out a chord chart for this song, which has all of the structure and all of the chords within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up. Let's say you're singing or playing along, and you need to know which chord goes with which lyric. Over on Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but a ton of other Gracie songs, as well as Taylor Swift and all the latest releases over the past few years. However, let's delve in with the pre-chorus, which starts off with D minor. D minor being a new chord for this song. Open D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, 1 on the high E. And what we do is we have a quick change from D minor to C major. So you can see I'm playing just 1 time around that pattern. And then I have a full lot of B minor. So to put that together, we have D minor, C, and a full B flat. Play that round twice and you get the pre-chorus. We're now at the chorus, where we have a new chord progression to play. It goes from F major to B flat, D minor to C. We're going to play around those chords 4 times in a row for the first chorus. At this point, we get lots of repetition. Looking over to the notes, which is what I've put on Patreon, there is a second verse, and the second verse is exactly the same set of chords as the first, which is the F to B flat, C to B flat 2 times in a row. We then have a pre-chorus, D minor C B flat twice, same as the first time round, and then a chorus, same as the first chorus. After that part, we get to a bridge where lyrically things are quite different, instrumentally things change, but it's the same chords as the chorus. F to B flat, D minor to C. We then get another chorus, followed by an outro, which is just the same chords as the chorus 4 times round. And there we go, that is everything you need to get through this song. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel, and consider getting the extra material on Patreon. In fact, the people floating by on the screen, those folks are my active patrons. There's over 120 of us at the moment, and the moment this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support, thanks to you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.